Good morning, YouTube. The job Forrest and I got to do today is a job I don't enjoy, and that is going under this house. The central heat and air guys, when they were putting the central heat and air, run the ductwork and all, they stepped on a water pipe under there and broke it. So we've got to go under there and fix it this morning. And what we're going in with, you can see my light, my GoPro. As you know, under this house, the lighting's not going to be the best in the world, so I'm not sure how the video will turn out, but you can at least give me an A for effort, because you know it's not easy trying to do this work in video and so on. Milwaukee 12-volt light. I'm hoping under there on one of the floor joists, you know, this has this clamp on it. I'm hoping that'll work under there to give us good light. But we're going under with all of our sharkbite fittings and so on, and hopefully I've got something in that. A shovel, because he said it's going down in the he said where the fittings broke off, it's going down in the ground, and we've got to dig it out there to get to it. And he doesn't know if it's PVC or CPVC, and if you're familiar with sharkbite stuff, PVC won't work with sharkbite stuff, only CPVC. So we're going to go under and see what's going to happen. And of course, this is your PEX pipe. And if you're not familiar with this is plumbing made simple. It is so simple that every time I get done with a job, I tell Forrest, I'm like, we couldn't have done that right. It's too simple. Forrest is already under there. Not the easiest place in the world to get under. You found the best way to go?
Yeah.
All right. Now guys, if the camera angle and it's not good, I'm sorry. We're doing the best we can do. Look at here, there's somebody, there's a flashlight. Look at here.
Yellow flashlight.
They left, I'll have to call them, they left their flashlight. Okay. Whew, it's tight.
Yep.
That's for sure. Oh. All right, our good thing is that is CPVC. So dig that out, Forrest. Go ahead and, where's this shovel? There it is. Just dig it and throw it back there. See if you can clamp that. You know how that clamps, and clamp it straight down. Will it clamp straight down?
Not quite big enough to go
over that. No, not big enough to go over the floor joists. Wow.
A smaller one, but it's not gonna do it either.
Not gonna do it.
You think we can take it off down here?
I do not know. Anytime they're rusty like that, it's not good. Boy, they did a number on us right here.
Yeah.
With this. This ain't gonna be good. Look there, it broke loose. It broke loose. Wow. One of the things that I've learned with these, now we ain't out of the woods yet, but is light pressure and hold pressure. Don't grab it, you know, boom, put a pull on it like that. When you're dealing with a rusty pipe, all the threads are good on it too. All right, Forrest, right here's a half. Yeah, we don't have any tape in there?
No.
Okay, there should be some on the trailer if you don't mind.
Yep.
You want this headlamp?
No.
Forrest is going to go get us some tape, because I know they say like on brass you don't, normally have to put tape, but I don't really know if that's brass to brass. But when you're doing with, this old galvanized pipe, I think it'd be better to put some tape on it. You might have heard that. Joanne, she's starting to paint. This house just got brand new windows, new central heat and air unit. Never had central heat and air in it. She's going to start painting. We'll go in and do woodworking stuff and a lot of different things. And I've already got a waiting list of 4 people on it that are in line wanting it. So we'll see how that goes. We're going to be easy screwing this on. We don't want to break anything. Just want to be very careful. I'm going to try to make one more round with it, if possible. Get as close as I can to one more round. We're getting snug. I'm going to try to come straight up. Like that, we're good and tight. About right here. Got to go get us a 90. Now I could have used a T. Put a little pipe up here and put a cap on it because I've got caps. But the more fittings you got, the more opportunity you might have to create a leak. So we're going to get a 90 over here where we can butt in right here. And we'll turn the water on and see if the water meter stops. We'll go ahead and stick a fitting on here. We're on. So all we're waiting on now is forced and a 90. Go ahead and cut us a piece of pipe right here. For this, we'll cut it right along in here. If it's a little long, we'll trim it a little. But I want to have plenty. I'd rather have plenty than not enough and have to redo it. We're going to push this in. I'm telling you now, the guy that invented that sharkbite stuff, I'd say he's not under a house today. I'd say he's living on the beach somewhere. And Forrest is back. I done got it ready. All we got to do is snap that 90 on, we're done.
Oh, yeah.
We got a snail come up to see us.
Snail.
That might be good fish bait.
Big old slug.
Yeah, here you go. You can just hand them to me. You don't even have to come over here. And just like that, guys, we are done. We got good fittings. And I keep several of these right here around. Just like that, I hated to have to send Forrest after it. The last time we used them up, I don't guess we bought them back because I don't see them. And we're gonna go out.
Pulling this stuff out.
Yeah. You want to take the pipe and then this?
No, I can take it too.
Take that. What could have been a bad catastrophe worked out all right. You gonna come back and get this big toolbox?
Yeah.
You're a good guy, Forrest. Well, guys, we got it done. Go down to the water company now and get them to turn the water on, and then we'll see how we are. Well, we're a couple of days later, but they've got the water turned on, and I just hadn't had a chance to come back by. The water company's real good about if they turn it on and the meter don't quit spinning, they will leave the water on but shut it off. They don't lock it on me. so I can come back and check it out. So I'm just here today to check it out. It's on in the house, so I'm assuming it's not leaking. We're going to check it out. We're good. Meter's not spinning. All is good. I thank you for watching this video. I hope if any of you have to do any light plumbing, just fixing a little short piece, it gives you some confidence in fixing it. It's very simple with the new sharkbite PEX pipe. I thank all of you for watching, man. Y'all good people, good comments, all that. I'll see you on the next video.